What's that smell? Bullshit.
George, let go! Oh. Are you serious? Oh my god. George!
What do you want? What do you want? Okay, now you're being fussy.
So entertaining tonight.
What did you do?
Tell me your pet trusts you without actually telling me your pet trusts you. I'll go first. Okay, you ready, Bob? Trust me? I trust you.
Come on. Get up. Come on. Get up. It's okay.
So, Scissor, why is it so hard to accept that the party is over? Girl, you got school in the morning. Get your ass in the car.
Dude, you're 14 years old. Grow up. Stop playing with a charging box. What are you doing?
I'm passing the phone to someone who has not cleaned themselves in years.
I'm passing the phone to someone who also hates to bathe.
I'm passing the phone to someone who still lives with their mom.
I'm passing the phone to someone who is codependent on a 5-pound cat.
I'm passing the phone to someone who knows the exact date and time that humanity will end and chooses not to say anything.
Winks.
Paw roast.
Is that my sock? Did you just kick it off the bed?
Dude! Oh! Tio, he doesn't want you! Oh.
Why are you so crabby today? Boop, boop, boop. Did a chicken leg. Tee.
This family makes me want to murder people.
Everyone needs a little time to relax. And since we switched to game fabric software,
Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs.
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Who invited?
Hoggle. Are you sitting on your sister? Oh my god! Let me get her! You can't sit on her. She's a baby.
This is to all the animal lovers out there, the pet parents, or anyone who knows a lick about animals. This isn't normal, is it? Kittens don't normally sleep like this. We should call the vet, shouldn't we? This isn't, she's breathing, but we should call someone, shouldn't we? Yeah? That's what I thought. That's what we thought. Good morning, little one.
This is how I let my cat know it's shower time.
Take a shower because you're dirty. And I know
Why is she yelling? This BTCH is really testing me.
Do you understand? You stink.
This is why I hate you.
You stink.
Give me your best roar. One more.
Whoa, what the hell is you doing? Oh my God. We ain't never did that before. Why you thought today was the...
What are you doing? Put me down, wench. How very dare you? Release me at once. This is harassment. I'm calling the police. Angie. Rage. Help. Forgot my cat was neutered.
Yuki, you won't jump off the top shelf to the bed, bro. Come on, bro. No balls, no ball. Oh. I didn't mean it, like, sorry.
Oh! Oh. Ah. Oh. Ah. Ah.
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your windows, you dumb.
Weirdo. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no. Oh fuck.
Bro, I gotta poop.